Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change interior lights in your Infiniti G35. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a plastic pry tool. A credit card can also work in a pinch to avoid scratching surfaces. Always ensure you have the correct replacement bulbs for your specific lights. For safety, it's a good practice to disconnect your car's battery before beginning any electrical work. Let's start with the map lights. Use your plastic pry tool or a credit card to gently pry down the map light lens, usually from the outer or inner edge. Some may have a small screw to remove first. The map and dome lights commonly use a DE3175 bulb. For the dome light, pry the entire assembly from the inside edge to avoid breaking the outer hooks. Disconnect the electrical connector, then carefully remove the old bulb and insert the new one. Next, let's tackle the door and trunk lights. For the door courtesy lights, use your pry tool to carefully pop out the entire light assembly from the bottom of the door panel. Disconnect the power connector, then replace the bulb. These often use DE3022 or DE3175 bulbs. Moving to the trunk, find the plastic cover and gently pull the tab to release it. The trunk light usually takes a 194, 168 or T10 bulb. Replace it and snap the cover back into place. Before you finish, always test your new bulbs to ensure they are working correctly before fully reassembling any components. Many G35 owners choose to upgrade to LED bulbs for a brighter, more modern look and longer lifespan. Once everything is working, carefully snap all light covers and trim pieces back into their original positions. For more great tips and to truly change how you think about money, check out the book linked in the description, along with other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.